Welcome everybody. This is Charles Hurt with First Auto Credit, Paddlking Boats. Right now we're on a 2017 Anglerw. A customer's boat has a 6-horse Tohatsu. Right now I'm turning on a dime. Basically, the customer's having a little bit of test and tune issues, so brought it out here to a private pond, and I ran through the test procedure, and turns out we just needed a spark plug. I think the insulator was cracked, so I put a new spark plug in it. I swapped fuel tanks as well. I have a different fuel tank. This is a customer's fuel tank. I did that just in case there would have been water in the fuel. But this little 6-horse Tohatsu, let's take it across the lake real quick. So, with these little engines, they're extremely quiet. The bigger in size you go, you get to the fuel injection models. We get the 20 horsepower Tohatsu. We have a white box or a black box, meaning the color of the engine itself. They look clean, they're quiet, they're fuel injected. All the 2018s, 19s, they're fuel injected. And these make all around great fishing boats. This customer also opted for a Minn Kota on the front. So if he's at an electric only lake, he has that option. So I just wanted to kind of give this little tutorial today, a little test and tune. We got it running good. The customer's not going to have any more issues. Any more questions about these boats? This is the old body style Anglerws. The new body styles are the 18 and 19s. This is the 17 model. Any more questions, just contact Charles at First Auto Credit. That's my email. You can call the main line, 204-7777. Y'all have a good day. I'm going to take a couple more test runs back up and down the lake. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I'll try to keep putting more content out like this. Thank y'all.